Hi, I will show you how to transfer your logbook to the next owner. Very easy to do. Go to your logbook, the dashboard, and click on these three dots. Go down to the bottom where you see Transfer Logbook. Click on this, and then you will notice this message. It talks about the fact that when you click Transfer, all the contents of your logbook will be transferred across unless you have some folders that are marked private or you wish to have other folders that are not transferred. To do so, you click these boxes here regarding those folders that you do not want to be transferred across to the next owner. Then it's just a matter of clicking continue, and the transfer will take place after entering that owner's email address, their name and phone number. Click continue again and submit. So I mentioned having a private folder. Again, this is easy to do. If you add a folder, you have the option to make it a private folder. Just click here and add that folder when you create a new one. Thank you.